What if your team never had to start a presentation from scratch again? No more PowerPoint, Google Slides, or Canva. No switching tools. Everything happens in Figma. Leading companies are using Figma to scale how they work. And yet, the same issues keep popping up when it comes to presentations. Different files, lost versions, inconsistent design, and way too much time spent building slides. So we changed the approach. If your team already works in Figma, why leave it? So we build presentation design systems right in Figma. Your entire visual identity becomes a system. Components, templates, and layout, all in the cloud. Here's what that means for your team. Real-time collaboration, faster workflows, more autonomy, and easy updates. We build a complete set of templates tailored to your team's needs. Cover, charts, data, and much more. And we can also train your team to use it, online or in person. Get a presentation design system and unlock faster creation, consistent design, and more confident teams. Pappum. Stop building slides. Start building systems.